Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Chris and this is Restoration Rescue. So last week we came in and we finished majority of the priming. So we don't have much left there, which is awesome. We don't have that much left in primer. We just have a couple panels left to finish out. We have some scuffing to do, getting everything ready to get its final paint coat on it. And we are going to be working on a final paint coat today. However, it's gold. And that is, we are going to be doing the doors. On the inside of the doors, they are going to be the body color in gold, or realistically, sunlit sand. So what we need to do is we need to get the doors outside again and work on getting them scuffed and ready for the gold. So let's go ahead, move some things around and get those doors outside. All right, so now we are ready for paint. Everything is scuffed up, everything is cleaned off, we are ready. So we are gonna go grab the paint, we are gonna lay down our first coat. Hopefully it comes out amazing. Also, if you didn't realize, we have a new truck. So we got rid of the Ford, we've upgraded to a Chevy 2500, which is definitely gonna make this thing easier to tow to Nashville. So we have some painting to do, so let's go ahead, mix up some of that paint. All I need to do is pretty much stir it up so it mixes into the right color and start laying down some of this beautiful sunlit sand to get the doors in the same color. We also need to tape off the edges. I'm trying to figure out exactly where I want the paint to end and the paint to start for the outside. So we're gonna do a little bit of research before we do that. And let's go ahead, get these things taped out and start laying those first level of sunlit sand. So that first coat came out absolutely amazing. It's already dry. So this came out amazing. I am gonna go over with a second coat real quick and just get it nice and thick. There are some spots that are a little light on here that I definitely want to do over again. Now, it absolutely looks incredible. That gold is kind of blinding, but it's going to come out amazing when it goes back in the truck. We also have some other parts that we need to paint over and just make this thing look good. So we have the door cover that needs to get painted, the panel cover that goes right here, and the panel cover that goes right here. Those are ready. Those are prepped and ready for primer or paint as well, so we can do that. The only other things left to go in gold is going to be around the around the gauge cluster. There's a place that needs to go gold, as well as the steering wheel. So these are the only few panels left. So let's go ahead, mix up another coat. I'm going to lay down a second coat and get those other two panels covered in gold. So the gold came out absolutely amazing. It looks really, 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 really good. The gold just stands out. Now I want to go with a little bit darker of a handle. Obviously we're going to have the chrome there. Everything though looks fantastic. Like the paint is smooth and it feels really good. Now, if you come up closer, obviously going to be a little bit of issues. Not with the paint, but the bodywork. Now my bodywork is not perfect. I am not a professional whatsoever, so there is not the best you've ever seen, but it is definitely something that I'm proud of. I worked my butt off to get it to this location in the 2.5, 3 years that it has taken. So we have a lot of work to do, but we have run out of time for this week. We'll see you guys next Saturday when we continue working on the C10, hopefully getting the doors back in the truck, hopefully start getting this truck back to the backyard again, so we can finish and paint everything. That would be a big deal if we can get everything on this truck painted and get it to a point where we can start putting things together. So we have the grill inside that I know I've showed you guys, which looks absolutely phenomenal. Get the grill and the whole front end together, get the bed together. That'd be a big thing. We do have wood on the way. So we have things that are coming in soon that is going to make this truck look absolutely phenomenal, and we are working to get this thing ready for C10 Nationals. As of today, the recording of this video, we have 206 days until we leave. So we're not leaving on the day of the show or a couple days before. We're leaving a couple days before, I'm sorry, not day of or the day before like we did last time, which was a little rushed. We're going to be leaving on the Tuesday before the show to get down to Nashville and enjoy Nashville a little bit more than we did last year. Obviously, we have a new rig to trailer us down there. It's going to be a blast to be there. We hope to see you guys there. If you can't make it, definitely check out our videos when we go down. Make sure you watch the rest of our videos as well. Make sure you smash that like for this video before you leave it. And we'll see you guys next Saturday.